All right, guys, I just wanted to make a quick video here and show you where to put your landing page link on your Facebook profile. This is going to be very important. So that way people, when you start growing organically, when people come to your profile, what they should be looking at or what you want them looking at, where you want to direct that traffic to. Okay. Right now, this is currently how I have my profile laid out. First, actually, let's scroll up here. Let's talk about the Facebook banner. Okay. So a lot of people, what they do is, they'll put like a call to action in the Facebook banner and it'll say like, click here to learn more, or click here to get access to, whatever it is that you're promoting, or whatever it is that, that you can help them with, or to learn more, or something like that. You'll see that a lot. Marketers will do that. Let's just say they come to your profile and they see that, and they'll click, this banner where this says click here. Well, on the right side, this is where you want to direct the traffic to, right? And that right now I have learn how to build your business online with a link to my landing page right here. So this is going to be very important. And I didn't learn this until, I was already, I had traffic come in my profile, and, months later, it's when I'm like, oh, wait a minute, I should put a link here. So this is very important. So when you first get a banner made and you first, upload it to your Facebook profile, right away, put your a link to your landing page in here. And that's going to be the one that I gave you. And so that's the very, very first place that it needs to go. All right. Now the second place is down here in the intro. This is where I would recommend you put it. And again, I had the same thing here, learn how to earn from home, and I put a link to my landing page right here. And I don't even know, to be honest with you, if this will work. It works on desktop. I'm not even sure if it'll work on, I was having troubles clicking the link using my mobile phone, but definitely down in the details below that, you can put a number of links directing traffic to certain landing pages, or, your Instagram or TikTok or whatever the case may be. You can do that, but I have found that it tends to confuse people. So I just keep it simple. I just put the one link there. But I think it'd be okay to go ahead and put several links here just to kind of show credibility. Well, here's another one. Profile picture. All right, this is a profile picture I had a while ago, March of 23. I know it looks silly with the hat. I get it. But it got a ton of engagement. I don't know why. It just 51 comments. So it got a lot of engagement. I just loved it. All right. So again, when they click on this, the profile image, then you can put a little sentence or two here with a link to wherever you want to drive traffic to. All right. So do that like right away when you guys are starting to drive traffic to your landing page, the one that, again, that I'm giving you, the one that you're going to be importing from me, or wherever you want to drive traffic to. That's where this goes right here. I think this got more engagement than normal. And then later on, I came in here and I put the link. You can try, a couple different ways. Post this right away. And maybe if you post a link right away, Facebook might limit the engagement of the post. So maybe you want to come back here, just put a sentence or two at first, and then maybe 3-4 weeks later, come back and then put the link. And then the same thing with your profile picture. And that's why I think I came back later and I put this link there. So anyway, that's some things to think about when you get your, a business or a banner made for your Facebook profile, kind of telling people who you are, who you can help, what you do. And when you post it, I would probably post a link right away, but it's up to you. I'll let you guys decide. So you got your banner, you got your profile picture, you got your intro, and then you got the details down here. So there's 4 places, at least 4, a minimum of 4 places to put your link. Anyway, I hope that helps. See you in the next video.